Guys, the camera's dead right now, but we already took off the hood for my boy right now. You guys already know about the infamous side of my house. We got the jack stand, all the wheels, everything. And we got the beast right here. Already opening her up. Had a few wheels on, a few other things. And one down, one to go. We already got all the tools. We got breakfast right here too. We got the hog cam right up in this box. But anyways, let me give you guys an update in a second. You guys already see the headers, the MXD coil. We're gonna get to the springs in a second. Made it to the springs. Call some LS Pros. Alright guys, I'm back with the waters and on the camera. Here's your water, Josh. Yeah. This is about time for our oil change. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little dark.
Gabe, how do I stop?
Josh, I don't know. The ghetto. Oh yeah, we just took the radiator out. It's over here. We had some coolant flying everywhere for a second, but we all good. You gotta watch the YouTube on the YouTube, you already know.
5 years later.
Alright guys, we took out the whole entire steering rack. We got done with the hardest part. Got a little bit cool on the ground and shit. We're gonna have to clean this up later. But yeah, we looking good on time right now. We're at the point of no return. Whoa! This bolt is torqued to 247 foot-pounds. I don't know how the hell we're gonna take it off.
Your battery's not connected.
We're either gonna have to use this. Katie wanted to say good morning.
Say good morning, are you kidding? Are you kidding me, David?
Who's opening me up? Oh, she winked. So cute. Alright guys, here's our attempt at 250 foot-pounds.
Five years later.
I told you that was a great investment. Bro, it was damn near impossible to get that one off. Finally got it off. Got the new one too.
Summit.
Dang, clean. Alright guys, we're about to see the timing chain in a second. Whenever this thing pops off. Oh, there it goes.
Be careful, David. Sheesh.
Dang, there
Ring
it
ding
is.
ding ding ding.
There it is. Fast guy stuff.
The next day.
Alright guys, it's the next day. My boys already started the car without me in my own house. They did do it. Scale 1 to 10, how many is that?
So sweating, bro. You're hella sweating right now.
Man, we just started. Finally got all the springs on. As you guys can see, it's finally about to come out. What we all been waiting for. It's gonna come out any second now. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's the back.
Is it?
I think.
It's really coming out. It's the moment of truth. Piece by piece. It's almost there, bro. That's crazy.
You can take off the water pump bolts. They're gonna get hit now.
So
Okay.
this stick.
Muscle man.
Chill, it's broken.
All the way broken?
Oh.
It's not that far. I have pliers.
Okay.
Worst case scenario, we'll super glue like the end of the stick back onto it.
Bro. It's actually broken?
Yeah. Look. As long as the lifters are held up.
Yeah.
Last one.
You gotta twist up with it now. Or go down.
Oh my god. The holy grail. Sheesh. Let me see that man. Ooh. That's crazy, bruh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you a hard working man. Mechanic hands. Release the beast.
Gotta get a video of looping it up.
Oh yeah, let me see the loop.
That shit.
Oh yeah, you can loop that thing nice.
What did he say?
Oh yeah, you're caught in 4K. These are kind of 4K. Alright, let me get some too. Whoa, pause. New one's going in. It's that.
What did he say?
Oh, did it go in? Oh, not all the way, huh?
No, it's not.
Oh!
Gotta tuck her away. This fool right here, he has to put this without the oil spilling straight into there. So we're gonna see what happens. All right, let me see it.
All right, hold on. What's I doing?
Can I take the oil out of this first?
Oh no, you can't do that.
I'm just gonna send it, bro. I just gotta send it.
What was saying?
You send me.
It's gonna spill.
Bro, you
Bro,
got
it literally has to go.
It's gotta
upside
slip
down.
over the crank though, just so you know. What?
Bro, that's not fun. That's like such smart calculation.
As long as it's bro.
Okay, it's on though.
Later.
Diamond covers on.
They're in there.
You got the rocker arms coming on.
They're in there. You know what?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, marinate them. Yes sir. Put it in there. So how do you feel? You have a brand new built motor right now.
Good.
Fully built from the bottom.
You're finally gonna be running.
Yes sir.
Pop out at me.
You already know. Rockers coming next, y'all.
Much later.
And we're back, guys. The whole entire thing's done. I've been road running today, so yeah. These boys been putting in work. And yeah, we're gonna see what this sounds like. Got the top and plate too. Full send.
Didn't start.
Huh?
No crank.
Alright guys, McKenna's got it. She told us that we're ready to drive. So let's try again. I don't know if you guys saw that lightning in the back though.
Started?
Yeah.
What happened? It turned off?
No, I turned it off. It's misfiring.
Miss? Oh yeah.
Part 2. Alright, crank it again. That's it for today. My camera. That's it for
I mean,
today.
if the starting is running right?
Yeah. No, we should be
sure.
chilling. Yeah, for sure.
Hell yeah.
Now we just need to get this training tune, get a new training in, and boom. So we'll be right back, guys. Finally got her back on the ground. Gonna push her out to the front, get some starts, get all the fluids going, then it should be all good. But put on the chopping plate, gotta let them know.
Alright, ready?
Oh, the whole motor's shaking. This is crazy. This thing sounds crazy, though. Alright guys, Josh is waiting for City Boy to come tow him. So yeah, we're gonna be right back. Tapping with City Boy for the toes, you already know. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the chopping. So yeah, drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, thanks for watching.